Welcome viewer, I am OriginS. This video tutorial describes OriginThinSetup.exe code execution cannot proceed fix. Copy URL from description and paste it. Download x86 and x64 downloads. Open and install download files one by one. Click Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable Visual Studio 2013. Download and install x64 and x86. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.